Today, I'm going to make applesauce. I have 4 apples that I need to cook, and I didn't want to waste, like I need to eat, I didn't want to waste them, so I'm just gonna make applesauce. Just need apples, sugar, cinnamon, and some water. So it seems pretty easy. So first, I'm gonna peel and chop up the apples. So I fear I didn't chunk them as small as they needed to be, but I think it'll work. Here's the apples. I need to add water, sugar, cinnamon, and let it boil for a little bit. Sugar, cinnamon. Interesting measuring cup, but here's my water. Put that in there. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Jeez. Ow. And then a 1/4 cup of sugar. Start with this. I feel like I should add more water, but also I don't want it to be runny. I think once I let it sit and then I mash it up, it'll be okay. I'm gonna let it like cook for 20 minutes, then I'll mash it up, and then it should be ready. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Take this off. Ha ha. Oh, look at that. I need to mash it up, and it's a lot easier to mash than I thought. I wish I had a masher. It does seem a little watery, so I'm nervous. I'm gonna be honest, it looks like baby food, or I'm not really sure what it looks like. Not the most appealing, but when has applesauce been known for its appealing look? You know what I'm saying? I don't think I'm that far off. I'm too impatient to wait to let it cool down, so I'm going to try it while it's hot. I don't know how big of a difference it's gonna make once I let it cool, but I just want to try it. It's hot. It's steaming. All right. Okay. Okay. Initially, good. Maybe more sugar? Maybe less water, more sugar, or maybe if I do less water, the sugar's fine. So maybe just less water, and I got lazy with the peeling and didn't peel all the skin off. It's not the greatest, so I would definitely say maybe less water, make sure I get all the peels off, but overall, it's not bad. It's very edible. I'm interested to try it once it cools down, but very edible. So, like, basically, if you don't want to eat, like, your apples are going to waste, you want something to do with them, this is very easy. You just chop it. I mean, it took me 10, you know, maybe 5 minutes to prep it. Then you let it cook. It was done. So, I give it a 3 out of 5. I mean, it's easy to make, but there's definitely, like, I want to peel it better, less water. And applesauce has never been high on the list of top foods I've ever had. But it's very easy and good. And helped me not waste my apples. So